Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one-stop for all things tech. I'm Chahat, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting-edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we've got it all covered. Atlassian cuts 10% of workforce in major AI pivot. CTO Rajeev Rajan to step down software. Giant Atlassian has announced a workforce reduction of approximately 10%, impacting nearly 1,200 employees as it shifts its strategic focus toward artificial intelligence. Accompanying this restructuring is the departure of CTO Rajeev Rajan, who will step down after leading the company's engineering for 3 years. The move reflects a broader industry trend of reallocating resources from traditional operations to generative AI development. Co-founders Mike Cannon-Brookes and Scott Farquhar emphasized that the layoffs are a necessary evolution to maintain agility and innovation. Meta deploys new AI-powered scam protection. Across Facebook, WhatsApp, and Messenger, Meta has introduced a robust suite of AI-driven security features to protect users from evolving digital scams on Facebook, WhatsApp, and Messenger. The update includes real-time detection of celebrity bait ads and automated systems to identify fraudulent accounts before they interact with users. Leveraging advanced machine learning, Meta aims to flag suspicious patterns in messaging and advertising, providing users with immediate warnings or blocking malicious links. This proactive approach strengthens Meta's ecosystem against phishing and financial fraud, ensuring a safer social environment for its global billion user base. Adobe enhances Photoshop with AI Assistant and next-gen Firefly tools. Adobe has integrated a powerful AI assistant into Photoshop, enabling users to perform complex editing tasks through simple conversational prompts. Alongside this, the Firefly Generative AI Suite receives a significant upgrade, introducing Generative Expand and Generative Fill capabilities with improved photorealism and detail. These tools allow creators to seamlessly extend backgrounds, remove objects, and generate high-fidelity textures. By embedding advanced AI directly into professional workflows, Adobe aims to drastically reduce manual editing time while maintaining high creative standards for designers and photographers worldwide. Adobe UNI launches Entry Star 100 Smartwatch, massive display, and wireless charging at Rs1,099. UNI has expanded its wearable portfolio in India with the launch of the Entry Star 100 series, UISW 7596. Priced aggressively at Ra1,199, this smartwatch features a large 2.2-inch curved display housed in a premium metallic finish casing with a functional crown. Key highlights include wireless charging via a magnetic dock and IP68 water resistance. It offers comprehensive health tracking, monitoring heart rate, sleep, and temperature, alongside dedicated sports modes. Notably, the package includes 4 interchangeable straps, allowing users to customize their style instantly. Google Notebook LM update, EPUB support, and a custom infographics now available. Google has rolled out a significant update to Notebook LM, its AI-powered research assistant, expanding its versatility for students and professionals. The platform now supports EPUB file uploads, allowing users to analyze full-length ebooks alongside PDFs and web links. Additionally, a new custom infographics feature enables the AI to transform complex research notes into visual charts and diagrams automatically. These enhancements, coupled with improved audio overview controls, solidify Notebook LM as a premier tool for synthesizing vast amounts of information into digestible, multimodal insights. Redmi K90 Ultra leaks massive 8000 mAh smart battery and Dimensity 9500 chipset revealed. The upcoming Redmi K90 Ultra is set to redefine battery standards, with leaks suggesting a colossal 8008 battery, the largest ever in a mainstream flagship. Powering the device is the next-gen MediaTek Dimensity 9500 processor, promising top-tier performance and efficiency. Other rumored specs include a 120 Hz OLED display, a $120 debut ultra-fast charging, and a sophisticated triple-camera system. Positioned as a flagship killer, the K90 Ultra aims to offer extreme endurance and power, challenging more expensive rivals in both the Chinese and global markets later this year.
Today's AI tool is VivGrid, the all-in-one infrastructure for scalable AI agent development. VivGrid is an integrated platform designed to simplify the entire lifecycle of AI agents, from debugging to global deployment. By consolidating observability, safety guardrails, and testing into a single environment, it eliminates the need for fragmented tool stacks. The platform features a high-speed GPU network with sub-50 ms latency and supports multi-agent orchestration across models like GPT-4.1 and Gemini 2.5. With a safety-first architecture and availability on the Microsoft Azure Marketplace, VivGrid is a powerful enterprise-ready solution for teams building autonomous, high-performance agentic systems. Our lead story is about WhatsApp introduces parent-managed accounts. Enhanced digital safety for children. WhatsApp has officially launched parent-managed accounts, a feature designed to provide a safer messaging environment for children under 13. This new system allows parents to oversee their child's account settings, manage contact lists, and monitor privacy levels directly from their own devices. While the end-to-end encryption remains intact to ensure message privacy, parents gain control over who can interact with their children. This move aligns WhatsApp with global child safety regulations, offering families a secure, supervised way to introduce minors to digital communication. That's it for today's bulletin. We'll be back tomorrow with more insights and another AI tool to supercharge your digital life. Stay sharp, stay ahead. This is Chahat signing off from IT Voice.